Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you've been waiting for a pocket-sized drone that doesn't compromise on image quality, the DJI Mini 5 Pro, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, is a genuine game-changer. By squeezing a full 1-inch sensor into its compact frame, DJI has effectively delivered Air-class camera performance into a folding drone small enough to slip into a jacket pocket. The results speak for themselves: 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, 50 megapixel stills, and an impressive 14 stops of dynamic range for video and photos that hold on to shadow and highlight detail even in tricky lighting. Beyond the camera upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro brings professional-grade safety features once exclusive to larger, pricier models. Forward-facing LiDAR works alongside omnidirectional vision sensors to detect obstacles even in total darkness, a godsend for those golden hour flights that stretch into twilight. I put it through its paces in brutal coastal winds gusting past 30 miles per hour, and while it was clearly working hard, it maintained its position with impressive composure. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2. With DJI effectively banned from launching new products in the US and longtime rival Auto Robotics having withdrawn from the consumer drone market, the drone playing field has shifted dramatically. Enter the Potensic Atom 2, a sub-250-gram drone that has suddenly become the most credible alternative to DJI's Mini series. The Atom 2's credentials are solid rather than cutting-edge. A half-an-inch Sony sensor captures 48-megapixel photos in 4K HDR video at 30 frames per second, stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal that delivers impressively smooth footage in normal weather conditions. Its AI-powered tracking modes work well enough for recording social media content, and the range of autonomous quickshots adds creative flair without requiring expert piloting skills. Flight performance is dependable and beginner-friendly, with up to 32 minutes of battery life and stable hovering even in moderate winds. The well-made controller works with most smartphones securely, while the Potensic Avata hits a good balance between simplicity and functionality. Number 3. DJI Neo 2. This pocket-sized quadcopter is the perfect entry point into aerial photography, complete with one feature that elevates it far beyond its predecessor: omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. The original Neo had a habit of flying into trees. The Neo 2 intelligently drops altitude or adjusts its path to avoid collisions, making autonomous flight stress-free rather than a dice roll. And autonomous flight is where the Neo 2 truly shines for beginners. Select a preset flight mode, follow, droning, helix, and others, launch it from your palm, and let it handle the cinematography while you concentrate on looking photogenic. When you want more control, the Neo 2 works with smartphones for basic instructions, or standard DJI controllers for proper manual piloting. You can even turn it into an FPV drone with compatible goggles. Image quality won't threaten a Mini or Air series drone. It's a 12-megapixel sensor shooting 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, 100 frames per second with a controller, but for social media clips and vacation memories, it's more than adequate. The main limitation is battery life. Expect around 10 minutes of actual flight time before you're swapping cells. The Fly More combo, which includes 3 batteries, feels like a near-essential purchase for this reason. Number 4. DJI Air3S. Despite sitting slap-bang in the middle of DJI's drone lineup, wedged between the premium Mavic and ultralight Mini ranges, the DJI Air3S, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, is anything but average. With a smaller and more lightweight build than its Mavic cousins, the Air3S offers fantastic portability. Crucially, though, it still manages to deliver heavyweight battery life, up to 45 minutes of flight on a full charge, and camera performance. The gimbal-mounted dual-camera setup features a wide-angle camera with a 50MP 1-inch sensor and a medium telephoto camera with a 48MP 1/1.3-inch sensor. Both can shoot 10-bit 4K video at 60 frames per second, FPS, or 120 frames per second for slow-motion playback, with the larger wide-angle sensor also offering an impressive 14 stops of dynamic range and highly impressive low-light capabilities. It's reassuringly simple and safe to fly, too, with a full suite of omnidirectional obstacle sensors helping to prevent collisions and forward-facing LiDAR to prevent aerial mishaps, even when flying in the dark. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. By beaming an ultra-low latency live feed from its camera directly into a pair of goggles, a first-person view (FPV) drone puts you right in the cockpit of a small and agile aircraft, able to squeak through the smallest of gaps and pull off breathtaking moves like flips, barrel rolls, loops, and vertical plunges. These aren't drones you buy to get pristine photos of wide-open vistas so much as to experience and document an adrenaline-inducing rollercoaster ride through a tight, obstacle-populated environment. As such, piloting an FPV drone is a completely different, entirely more challenging kettle of fish than piloting a standard camera drone. Not only do you lose the anti-crash guardrails used by many drones, but you're flying at a greater speed, with less time to react. The DJI Avata 2, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, brings the skill requirements down to a more beginner-friendly level, all while capturing video at 4K/60 FPS or 2.7K per 120 frames per second. While it doesn't have automatic obstacle avoidance, the Avata 2's motion-sensitive controller and ability to quickly brake and hover in midair make it a lot more forgiving than the full manual twin-stick controls used by most FPV drones. The Avata 2's goggles are also fantastic, pairing with the drone and delivering a crystal-clear image through its pair of micro OLED screens. They're even comfortable for those with poor eyesight, like myself, thanks to eyepieces that can be adjusted for interpupillary distance and a diopter for correcting vision. Number 6. HoverAir X1 ProMax. Need something to make your vacation Instagram posts stand out from the ground-based crowd? The HoverAir X1 ProMax 7/10 Wired recommends might be just the ticket. This pocket-sized drone with automated flight is perfect for capturing quick aerial selfies or dutifully following along as you walk, cycle, or skate through a picturesque landscape, producing video up to 8K resolution and photos up to 48 MP that can be shared to social media right away. Despite the camera's minuscule size, image quality holds up. The 8K is mostly a gimmick, especially from a sensor this small, but the 4K footage looks cleaner and punchier than that of market leader DJI's Neo drone, which is admittedly quite a bit cheaper. It's a pity, though, that HoverAir doesn't allow the camera to rotate 90 degrees to shoot native 9:16 portrait content. Given its focus on creating social media-ready footage, that would have been a valuable addition. Designed first and foremost for short automated flights, the X1 ProMax can still be controlled via optional joystick and beacon accessories, which allow it to be flown for longer and further away if, for example, you wanted to capture a photo or video showcasing a wider landscape or a large building. I found it a responsive and zippy flyer, but the 16-minute battery limits its capabilities. Number 7. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The Mavic 4 Pro, 9 out of 10, Wired recommends, is expensive, but it's the best drone on the market if money is no concern, largely thanks to the cameras, of which there are 3, a wide-angle paired with 2 telephoto zoom cameras, 28, 70, and 168mm, respectively. You can snap 100MP photos and shoot 6K video at 60 frames per second, or 4K at 120 frames per second, and the 16 stops of dynamic range give you greater control over exposure. The aperture is adjustable too, allowing you to swing from f/2 to f/11. The gimbal lets you freely rotate and tilt, meaning it can capture true portrait-oriented content, perfect for the likes of TikTok and Instagram Reels. I also highly recommend upgrading to the RC2 Pro controller, with a larger and brighter screen, vertical orientation, and the ability to install third-party apps. It runs Android. Number 8. DJI Mini 4 Pro. It might be an incremental upgrade, but the Mini 4 Pro, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, cements DJI's position as undisputed champion of the sub-250-gram flyers that can fit in your palm. It employs the same 1/1.3-inch 48MP sensor as its predecessor but gives its image processing software a notable bump. It matches the Mini 3 Pro's 4K per 60 frames per second performance, but can capture slow-motion 4K at 100 frames per second and record in 10-bit D-Log-M for greater post-production color grading freedom. Both its photos and video look fine straight from the camera, and the night mode vastly improves the low-light video quality. It's not just the camera performance that's been boosted. The obstacle avoidance system also points sensors in every direction to prevent the drone from careening into trees, walls, power poles, and other potential hazards. Add that to the generous 34 minutes of battery life, plus DJI's always simple flight controls and software, and you've got a refreshingly chilled-out flight experience, making the Mini 4 Pro ideal for beginners and experienced pilots alike.